Hi! Good morning everyone, and it's Sunday morning, and sabi ko I'm going to have some vlog for today. So later on, after my church, I'm going to the mall to buy some of my things, so I'm going to get that vlog also. So today is Mai's birthday, so happy birthday Mai. So I'll see you later today, so aayos ko yan mamaya, so I can have some vlog again for today. So see you later. So hi, ngayon nasa Kalati kita. I'm going to eat my lunch now. Alone in the city, pero okay lang. Nakatapos ako ng sa church. It was a blessed Sunday, and hindi ako nakakuha ng vlog kasi kakaya, but it was a nice blessed Sunday church for the day. So, katatapos lang ng church service kanina. It was a blessed Sunday service. And now, I'm here at SM. We're trying the Karabi Kid here. So, order ako ng chicken teriyaki. Sabi na natin ano ang lasa ng chicken teriyaki. Let's just wait for the order. So, yan ang in-order. Yan ang in-order ko, chicken teriyaki. So, tingnan natin kung masarap to. I'm just eating alone. Sorry. I hope this tastes good. It's my first time to eat here in Karabi. So, we're going to taste this chicken teriyaki. So, tingnan natin. Hopefully, masarap to, diba? First time ko kumain dito. Sarap siya. Tastes good. Kain. So, I'm home now. I will just end my vlog. Hindi ako talaga nakakuha ng vlog kanina dahil na-low-bat yung cellphone ko. So, talagang there's no reason na makapag-vlog. But anyway, I had a great Sunday today. I bought some of the essential needs, no, na kailangan ko, and dumating na rin tong yung traveling hair straighter. So, may siya, free na bun, which I don't know how to use. But anyway, it was a blessed Sunday. So, have a great week this coming tomorrow again. So, God bless everyone. Bye!